aside from my soul.
Right, so I got a new car, G35 2006. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Got it last week. Do a quick cold start. We'll be vlogging today for Alan. I'm gonna go pick up a friend of mine named Carlos. You guys are gonna see him often or whatever. And I'm gonna just hand him over the camera when I pick him up. Might put some gas to fill up the tank. And I need to change those quarters that are in there. Well, look who we got here. Carlos? What? Oh no. Thanks, bro, thanks. Ooh. You even got a fucking bottle of quarters as well? Oh man, look at that. You got more than me. My shit's just quarters. 20 bucks. 20 bucks in that big?
Hella. More.
Carlos, $1?
Y'all ain't ready for this shit. Oh.
Yeah, you got him counting pesos as well, bro. He's like half a penny.
You counting stacks right here, boy.
It is what it is, man.
Look how many pennies. Para lavar, mijo.
Alright, we'll be back. My lights came in. My G35. Gonna be installing it right now. Get big. No está. These are it. The halo wreath. I'm getting four of these in a few minutes. Just gotta get the bumper off. Be back. Just got the bumper off. Next is gonna be whatever.
I haven't seen how much.
We're gonna get the lights off.
I haven't seen how much.
We'll be back. So I took the first headlight off. Finally. The sun went down so easy and light. Piece of shit. This was hard to take off. Now we're putting them in. All we have to do is just connect that and that's it. Very simple. We'll be working on this one now. It's gonna take an hour. Peace out. Wait, the lights didn't fit. Sponsored by Resona.
You know, anybody could get a sponsor by Resona.
That's our true sponsor. Hey, wait! You're gonna have to pick up my paint, nigga. Oh, no mames. Wait, you scratched it. Oh, no mames. No mames. Wait. Bro. Look at that. Wait, if I scratch your car, what would you do to me?
Dude, my shit's scratched.
What if I hook up your engine? All the other ones.
Look, get this shit. Look at this piece of shit. Wait,
Look at that. Then look at the fenders, bro. Look at that.
I did touch a paint. Look at zoom into that shit. This is a work in progress.
This is after the 350Z.
Look at that.
Can't let you borrow money for that. Can't let you borrow money for that. Can't let you borrow money for that.
The rim?
That. The wing.
Hey,
I
you
could
should,
easily pay that back. Okay.
he should literally put up the
Everything is right here is owned by K.
the tires.
The lowering springs? Nah, you can't set the tires. Where's the tab? There's one right there, see?
Actually,
For sponsors.
I'm still waiting on two.
oh, this nigga don't got insurance.
This was this.
It's not even registered.
It's registered.
No insurance.
It's registered. I
had to. Look, you can see right there.
That's some custom art.
Look at this. I'm on that shit. Wanna know how?
How?
It's faster now.
How?
You can feel it.
Bro, this shit's slow as shit.
The
Nigga, I'll fucking beat your ass.
Can't even drive your car.
Bro, that's why your fucking car blew up.
Hey, my car is running 100% now.
With some homemade wiring.
Hell yeah, fool. Running.
Yo,
running
pop his
current.
hood, bro. Pop his hood. Look at that shit.
Bro,
bro.
I got some illegal shit on it. You can't pop it. You can't show it. On
If you
YouTube.
pop the hood, bro, there'll be like some homemade wiring, bro.
wait, have you raced them?
Yeah. You try to throw shit. If the putting presses them, not even a challenge.
Nigga, why the fuck would you?
See, if Navo passes you, I can pass you.
But did you?
Cause I fucked up on my gear.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay, get in there.
What is this? What is this?
Hey, shut the fuck up.
GTR. This is GTR.
Oh wait, it's an Infinity.
Oh, it's
Holy wow! No mames, güey.